Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is a braid tutorial. I am using the rubber band method. That is my favorite way of doing box braids in my own hair by myself. It cuts down a lot on time and it just helps me to move faster. The hair I'm using today is from Collection. It's the Easy Tex pre-stretched in 84 inches. You guys, I have been looking for super long hair that is pre-stretched for the longest. I remember the first time I did waist length braids and the hair was not pre-stretched. You guys, it was torture trying to stretch the hair every braid so that it was long enough and it had that nice tapered end. So this hair is amazing. I was so happy with it. It was soft and easy to work with. You guys, I would definitely suggest it. The color I have is 613 and it is a really nice shade of 613. It almost has like a grayish tone to it as opposed to a super brassy yellow tone. So I really like it. The products that I used today, I only used 2 products today. I used the product line The Do, which is Black woman owned, so I would definitely suggest it. The products are amazing and you can find them in Target. So shout out to The Do because they are doing their thing. I used their Bonita Afro Balm. So that is just like a conditioning hair dress that I use on the strands of my hair to just give it some moisture. And then I also used the Swagoo, which is their edge control pomade gel, and I just use that at the roots before I put the rubber bands on. And then the rubber bands I used are the silky ones, they're not the dry ones. So these are the sections that I ended up using. I can't remember exactly how many braids I have, but I can count them and let you guys know. So this is my hair about halfway done, you guys. This is the next day. You know, this is a 2-day process if you're doing it on yourself. I would definitely suggest giving your hands, your fingers, your arms a break. So yeah, it was a 2-day process for me, about 3 hours each day. So I guess it's a total of 6 hours it took me to do this style. So I did just want to come back on and show you guys how I separate the hair, how easily it separates and how smooth it is. So I just separate it into 2 equal parts. I go ahead and loop it together. Then I go ahead and just loop it around my actual hair. Then I just go ahead and use my hair as one section, and then I separate another part of the actual braid hair into the section with my own hair. I know it sounds a little weird, but you can see what I'm doing because my hair is a different color than the actual braiding hair. So as I start to go down and the sections become more and more uneven, I just borrow a little bit of hair from each section until they are even. And that's pretty much the way that I do my braids, and that's the way I've been doing them all my life. So if you guys have other techniques that you like to share, definitely leave them in the comments and we'll just get a conversation going. Make sure you guys are taking your time, because as you can see, it is extremely exhausting. Like, it's a lot of work, but the payoff is worth it. I love how these braids came out, and I will definitely be doing this style again, maybe trying a different color next time. Make sure you guys finish watching till the end. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Huge shout out to Janet Collection for sending me this hair. I absolutely love it. I love this style. I got so many compliments on it. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I did a whole photo shoot with this hair, and it was just bomb. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. Peace out.